To sketch a modulus graph, it is good to try to sketch the graph without the modulus first. So let's try to do that, which means that I'm going to try to sketch the graph of y is equal to 2x minus 3 square minus 4. This is a parabola. And from observation, I can see that the coefficient of x square is going to be 4, positive 4. So this parabola is going to be a smiley face. And from part 2 of the question, this parabola is going to cut the x-axis at 2 points, and that 2 points are going to be, one is at 1 over 2, the other one is at 5 over 2. And from part 1 of the question, I know where is the lowest possible point on this curve, and this lowest possible point is 3 over 2 and minus 4. One more piece of information that probably is useful for us to sketch that, it is when it cuts the x-axis, when it cuts the y-axis. And that is when x is equal to 0. If I were to let x is equal to 0, that means it's going to be minus 3 square, which is 9, minus 4. So this point here is going to be 5. So to sketch that to sketch that curve, it is just to reflect this portion of the graph about the x-axis. Let's try to sketch that now. To sketch this, let's try to draw the xy axis. The x-axis is here, the y-axis is here. It is going to be that parabola. And for the portion where it is below the x-axis, it's going to be flipped up about the x-axis. So it's going to go up. Then this portion will remain the same over here. The coordinate here is going to have an x coordinate of 1 over 2. This here is 5 over 2. This point here will have a new coordinate of 3 over 2 and 4. And since here is 5, please make sure that this highest point is lower than 5 because the y coordinate is going to become 4. So this is 3 over 2 and 4. This is the origin, and this will be the graph of y is equal to modulus of 2x minus 3 square minus 4.